Ready to unlock the power of YouTube automation and take your channel management to the next level? Today, we're diving into how to connect to the YouTube API directly within your N8n workflows. This opens a world of possibilities, from automating video uploads to analyzing your channel's performance. First, open N8n and create a new workflow. You can do this by clicking the plus button. Give your workflow a descriptive name so you can easily find it later. Next, search for the YouTube node and drag it onto your canvas. This is the starting point for all your YouTube automations. Now, let's configure the YouTube node. You will need to choose an authentication method. Select Auth to connect your YouTube account securely. Click Connect Account. This will redirect you to Google, where you can authorize N8n to access your YouTube account. Select the Google account associated with your YouTube channel and grant the necessary permissions. Once connected, you can select the specific operation you want to perform, such as uploading a video, retrieving channel data, or managing comments. Each operation requires different parameters, so fill them in according to your needs. Finally, connect the YouTube node to other nodes in your workflow. For example, you can use a trigger node to schedule automatic video uploads, or a function node to transform data before sending it to YouTube. Experiment with different combinations to build the perfect workflow for your specific goals. That's it. You're now ready to start automating your YouTube tasks with N8n. From automatically posting content to tracking video performance and responding to comments, the possibilities are endless.